Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So, in this video, we will doing something to the sharing of the program with a special guest, which is my friend. So this weekend, we can host as well. My special guest, they are. Okay, and you guys, you can introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Dan Muhammad Razan. I'm from 11 DKV of IBM Building School. And my name is Arjuna Kesha Kawan. Most people call me Arjuna. And I am also from 11 DKV.
Okay. Before introduce yourself, okay, and introduce myself too. So, I'm from Mahathir and I'm from Lebanon. So, the podcast we're gonna explore the urban experience and opportunities and real life stories and our expectation. Our expectation for and in the future for maybe sharing our plan better when we are doing study abroad in another country. So, okay, let's talk about it. Okay. So maybe I'm gonna asking from the answer. Okay. Which country that you want to study abroad? Like maybe you can give
You know, at this point I have so much choices of countries that I want to do and I want to go to that country. But one of my option is to go to Japan. And also I have a little bit interest to go to Arab countries, maybe like in Emirates, maybe cities in Arab, like in Jeddah, like or maybe in Medina. Like, what about you? Well, it is a really good question. A good question. There are lots of amazing countries out there, and specifically, I'm also kind of confused which one I want to choose because, well, at least if the country has snow, then it's fine. But because this is about scholarship, well, my best options, I got maybe around 2 or 3 options. The first one is the UK, United Kingdom. Yeah. Because UK, I don't know, it feels like it's luxurious and elegant, everything. The lifestyle is really rich there, and I also wanna try to follow the lifestyles of the England people, because you know England is my first #1 favorite country. Even Indonesia is not my favorite country.
Why?
And maybe because I love Indonesia, but there are some things happening today. And for the second option, it would be same as Dan, and it's Arab. If it's what's the name?
Win.
Yeah,
Ken Abdulaziz.
It's Manila. Not Arab.
Arab in Arab.
No,
In Arab Saudi.
So yeah, I mean the one that I'm choosing is so that if I live there, there will be no taxes. There will be a positive fight. Yeah, positive fight, especially Muslim community. Yeah. We could like greet each other. We can find halal food so easily. Yeah, halal food so easily. Learn the lifestyle there. Though it's hard, but because it is like the country is hot, it's sunny out there. But yeah, I think we could like adapt to it. And maybe the last country I'm choosing would be if it's like Asia, it will be Malaysia. Yeah. It's a near one, but that will be my last choice.
Last choice.
What about you? Can I ask the host, what's your dream of country you would like to study abroad?
Okay, there are a lot of ambulances or key countries that I really want to doing studying next time. So the first one is Italy, the first one is Australia. Or Australia or maybe New Zealand.
New Zealand. Why is it? Why you choose New Zealand?
New
Something
Zealand.
special about New Zealand?
Actually, I like the life of the like how people live there, how they like communicate each other with the different accent, like what's the accent, like they are saying, oh no, then when also they have good feels like Swedish,
Swedish?
yes,
Swedish is
similar with
Huh?
lemon flower, like lemon flower with yes, yes.
So you like the lifestyle also.
Yeah.
And I think that is like aesthetic, right?
Yes, very
That's
aesthetic.
very, I think people live there is so slow living, like they are not really rush with the cities vibe, easygoing.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh my.
but I think I want to go to Australia, like specifically in Auckland. Yes, Auckland.
Auckland, what is it? Oh, it's the town. It's land of city.
Yeah, in Australia. So, what I'm looking like
Sydney.
Melbourne or Sydney, okay? Oh, yeah. Melbourne and Sydney, like city in rush hour, like
Too crowded.
yeah. So like not slowly people. That's my family.
Yeah. I think you can go study Chernobyl. So I thought you choose Australia because there's country roots. I want to kickboxing, but movies. I think so.
Yeah.
You also like
Okay.
that.
Maybe
What's the last country? You said
yeah,
Dutch.
this is the first one, and then
And the most.
the most one, I think. The second one is Malaysia. Yes.
Yeah, it's good.
Wait, how about
And if you think with 6 months and become a Korean study with Korea, your option is
Hold on.
Malaysia.
I will call you. So Malaysia is like my parents told me for yes, I'm a couple like it. Just learn yes, study in Malaysia. Then it's not really far from Indonesia. And
So your parents can also
Visit.
visit you.
Yeah.
That's the reason you. Okay. Maybe your parents can go on vacation also.
Yeah.
By visiting you.
yeah, my parents say that can like still same language.
Culture is not so much different.
Because you cannot speak English.
I think your mom can speak Arabic.
You just can
I think your little brother can speak Korean.
no.
So yeah, I think Malaysia is one of my option, or maybe Singapore. Like but in Singapore it's so rush hour. Like you say, it's so fast,
The life
fast
is slow.
living. Like what?
Expensive.
Yeah, so much expensive stuff, and then those yeah. Singapore, I think it's one of busiest country I ever heard about. And if you pick Malaysia, it's still better than study and go to college in Indonesia, right? So yeah, maybe you go on Johor Bahru, like the technology is already updated. Yes, maybe it's so easy. I think the college level is so different from Malaysia and in Indonesia. Whether it's maybe about the technology, about the education, the professor from the other countries. I haven't visited a university in Malaysia when I was back then. The name is UNIKL, University of Kuala Lumpur, and those technologies are so important. It's amazing. There are lots of, that university is mainly like based on IT, focusing on IT. And there are lots of, they showcase the projects, there's for designing, there's also for animation, yeah, computer science, artificial intelligence. That's a good place, you know.
That's cool.
What do you mean?
No, no, no.
Okay.
Okay. You know what? I want to talk about college, study abroad in Japan. Do you guys want to hear?
Yeah.
Beneficial, maybe.
Share to us about your Japan.
So, one of my application for a university in Japan is this university. The name is Digital Hollywood University. It's located on Chiyoda, Tokyo City, Japan. And the reason why I choose this because maybe this university doesn't really famous, doesn't really famous. So, and this is the private university, swasta.
So the
Private university.
Private
Yeah,
university.
swasta is private.
So they don't provide scholarship.
So yeah, you know the scholarship called MEXT from the government of Japan. So there is MEXT program from Japanese minister. I forgot from Menteri Kebudayaan or Menteri Pendidikan, Education.
Education,
Yes.
culture.
Yep.
And
So
culture.
well, MEXT scholarship. In Japan, it's called
Mombugagaku
scholarship.
Kusho, bro.
So it's a financial aid program, you know, the government giving you money for education. And it is from Ministry of Education, Culture, Social Science, and
There are lots of them in this.
yeah. So it is so support international student and also support the overseas, like you know, in the Asian continent.
Oh, so they prioritize Asians.
So yeah. So yeah, but this kind of scholarship is so crowded right now. So much the opponent for you guys competing to take this scholarship. But if you get this scholarship, you can, you know, if you get this scholarship, you get the recommendation letter, and you guys can give the recommendation letter to all of public universities, universities.
State university.
Yep.
Stage.
So yeah, you guys have so much choices. Maybe not just in Tokyo, maybe in Kyoto, in Waseda, like all of the public universities that accept this MEXT scholarship. And it is maybe the qualification may need no need Japanese expert. So you guys can learn Japan. They providing 6 months of training, 6 months of training language, and then you guys start to go to college. Because our major, we design, we are take major. So yeah, I think for our program, for our major, there's no so much that using English. So it's not English style. It is Japanese style, or maybe if you guys go to Chinese, it's Chinese style. Yeah. So you guys maybe really need language training. And this is one of the coolest things. Financial support. Why is financial support? Because you have the full tuition fee of university fee, and then also for the stipend month, like one jajan every month you get. And also a plane ticket for you to go back Indonesia to Japan. If you have emergency and you have to immediately go to Indonesia, they can provide plane.
Then Japan is the shower country.
Yeah, I think Japan is one of the busiest countries.
Yeah,
You know Shibuya crossing? They are always running there.
Okay.
Yeah, I think one of the busiest country. And this university, let's go back to the Digital Hollywood University. Why am I interested for this university? Continue this little break. Like I said before, Japan is not slower country like well. You have to work and they are so disciplined about time. Are so like the time you come into the class, you come into office, they are so tight. Okay, let's go back to the talk about DHU, Digital Hollywood University. Like I said before, why I'm interested? Because it's our media, as you guys can see. We have 3D, CG, VFX, study field. You have game and programming, movie and film, program, graphic design, anime, web, VR, and advertising. And so it's digital marketing in short. And why is it so interesting? Because you can take more than one course. Maybe you can take 3 of it, like maybe when you want to do the advertising, you know. So yeah, you guys can make this 8 special field study that can combine. Yep. Yeah. So yeah, but this is private university, so it's doesn't get the MDX scholarship recommendation. This university doesn't accept that. But this university have their own scholarship. Like maybe let's see. This is the 2025 admission fee. This is not Vita yet. This is not Rupiah. This is Japanese currency. Yeah. So it's four. The total is 4.660. Yeah. Let's see the currency. Yeah. 500. 500 juta.
Promonya soalnya. Kalau saya dua kali Indus itu.
Yeah, like you study in news, you study in news also like that, like IPB.
In Indonesia dapat.
In IDN also.
IDN is very good.
So they have their own scholarship and they have their own qualification. Like maybe you need Japanese, forget the name, Japanese language proficiency.
Learn the English.
Yeah, so you guys have to the certification of Japanese language proficiency.
I think I can speak
Okay, I think enough about my point of view. Want to talk?
Okay, promoting up first. England.
England.
Really can you have like role model there, like maybe Adele.
I know Arjuna haven't researched anything, but he have one of the university.
Well, my target is to go to the University of the Arts London.
Yeah.
It is also shortened as UAL. Wow.
Yeah.
And
Can you tell about the maybe courses? Or undergraduate one, because we are doing the undergraduate program. Bawah. Hanya kan coy. I think broken.
so yeah,
this university. I found it when I was searching in ChatGPT. Please give me a recommendation book universities of arts at London or at UK, and it is the #2 best university. And I tried to search and, like the images, the facilities. It looks really good. And but I haven't do any other research though about that. Oh, what's this?
So it is the course, like they have so much 11 page, bro.
Bachelor of History.
Back.
So there is. So oh, there are
So much.
I need glasses.
Adi,
There are many courses. There are many
You
subjects.
mentioned.
First of all, we got 3D design and product design. Well,
You mentioned all that.
this 3D design and product design is, yeah, it could be my thing because, lately I'm making lots of projects, especially UI, UX, and maybe with product design, I learned how to make my original product without using lots of reference. And then there's also this cool thing called animation, interactive.
Accessories video. No, it's like you will some sort of
Ah,
you can merchandise. Making merchandise.
yeah, we could say it like that, but we're just gonna skip it because it's not related. For our major, animation, interactive film, and sound is also related because I have a dream to be an Oscar-winning director. Please pray for me and make animation film.
Amin.
And yes, maybe from this the subject we will learn about making animations like international animations, like
London is one of the,
Korea.
I think London is one of the coolest film. I think so much also.
Yeah.
Film course.
UK have like the best movie production there, so that's why I'm also targeting the United Kingdom because they have like amazing backstory for movies. And yeah, we also got communication and graphic design because we are visual design communication, so we also able to take communication and graphic design. This is where we learn about communication or making great design, not only just for people to like it, but people to understand and feel everything in it. And the others are like fashion, but there is also this one called business and management and science. Well, so if designing is too hard for me, if 3D designing is too hard for me, and if making movies and animation is hard, and well, the last thing I could possibly choose is the business and management and science, because if I cannot make anything, maybe I could start my very own business and it could be really helpful. Oh, there's also photography, like maybe my friend know the one that could take pictures really good at it.
Performance and design
Yeah, there's also performance for theaters and screen, like
and they also have some short course like only you can like portfolio preparation course.
oh yeah, so there are also lots of what do we call it, benefits.
This is development short course they all
Oh, this
So
they,
you are
their
not
community.
joining the college, but you are joining the college.
Oh, so this community is not just only providing the college, but they also provide courses. So maybe if you if you wanted to do something else, they also offer several courses like customized training and online short courses and yeah, so you guys can learn together while online, and then drawing courses and portfolio preparation courses. Well, if you are having a bad time on the portfolio, you can join the portfolio courses. And yeah, I think that's all for my turn.
Okay.
Um,
Can you tell us about your university option?
Korean.
5 minutes.
My interest there are a lot of
I just want.
But I think it's
Where is the country?
I think this is good to Korea. There is a problem with the ceiling. So when I apply the internet, and I think I'm thinking twice. I think my best opinion, yes, for Sharia.
I see.
Or maybe dependent.
Australia is this is Indonesia black
Behind.
It's not also fine.
First one is Canberra. The name of the university is Canberra Institute of Technology. Right.
The capital city.
Like
Australia capital
I
city.
thought it's Melbourne.
No.
It's-
I think
The capital city.
so. This is the route up here, like more institute with provide art, program, business, communication, and engage design, education, called law, called government, science, sport, and technology. So there we can do. But in Canberra University, there's no pyramid course like pyramid about filament. But in Canberra only the art, design, communication, and media. So it is University of Canberra. So we are learn like we are learn from the one of the
Lecturer.
Yeah, one of docent in from MIT, and so one of the lecturer from MIT into Canberra University for teaching art. And here we are learn also to like and one of the important in design and material design is Adobe Creative. So we are learn Adobe products.
What you wanna be? You wanna become a video editor?
I will graphic designer. He has a dream to become that.
Okay, so it also the third one is maybe I want to become a graphic designer. But also in other side, I want to become an expert in the web. But I'm still focusing on graphic designer. So this is the next one is we are like freedom for explore our like career, like we want to expert more in this major. So if you are want to explore more about maybe expert or skill, so this university provide us for or maybe support us for
Let's do it.
Our
this is the way
our interest.
in our interest. So this is for the communication and media. So if I see one thing, like you know, like radio. Okay, hold on. So,
No, I think the communication and media it's also like graphic design because it is our major it's visual communication design and it is
Arts with
different
arts.
like you know like it's separate so it's just the design and just the communication.
Okay, this is also this all in YouTube of camera. This is also a film production. This is, so this is arts. So this is another art course. So this is the result of the undergrad art course. If I know creative writing, global study like digital media, and film production. There are a lot of film production, graphic designer, and Bachelor of Art. Also, there is like Bachelor of Art or Bachelor of Science and Psychology.
Oh, so it's
I don't know,
not just the design stuff.
So it's like more global,
No, this is
not as art focused, but but it's more.
I think this is a public university, right?
yeah, this is public university. So,
Social.
good. Now, like, we find the pictures also graphic designer. Actually, I'm interested in production, but I'm seldom for watching watching film. Come rather, what?
Watching movies,
No.
watching designs.
Yeah, watching design tutorial. Okay.
I'm so proud of my friends.
Okay. Also, there are one project I want to even on project. Kaya the project and the people.
Reviews.
Yes,
Some
yes,
Muslim,
yes.
right?
Not only Muslim, but
South Korea.
yeah, South Korea. Not
You
North Korea.
go to North Korea. I think
Oh,
I think you have to become a Korean.
Better you touch.
This is news kan lately kan akhir-akhir ini.
Air you become Korean.
That is because of the konser ya in Malaysia.
Yeah,
ya?
yeah, Malaysia.
Oke.
Korean races.
This one is one of the countries within the world.
Right.
Oke.
So yeah.
So maybe we're gonna end for this podcast.
Yes.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
That's right.
We return it back to the host.
Yeah. Tapi I'm gonna topic for this session. Maybe that's all from our sharing of this program. So they are want to instant, they not want to become British person. Can you say British?
British.
Yeah.
British.
Wes.
British.
Okay. And also
Wah.
Australia.
Aussie.
Aussie.
Yes. Yes or no?
No.
Nor.
No.
So maybe that's all from me and from us. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Ya, good.